Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Thili Talks. My name is Thili, and today this is my first video that I'm actually making for this channel. This channel is going to really be talking about a lot of my passions. Really passionate about music, about food, about places that that we usually go to visit. Honestly, about anything. Like sports. I'm a massive Arsenal fan, for example. So anything and everything that really comes to my mind, like I'd love to share it and like share it with y'all. Um, so today, honestly, right now, we're in Warsaw. And to give a little bit about myself, I'm originally from Toronto, and we actually made the 14-hour, 15-hour trip from Toronto to Warsaw last night. We stayed the night over. And we're here, actually, I'm here together with my wife to visit her family in Ukraine. So we're actually making the trip through Warsaw today to Ukraine via train. We're running a little bit late right now. As you can see, Warsaw is, it's 4 or 5 in the morning, so it's still dark. I think sun rises here at like around 7, 8, I'm not sure. Yeah, but yeah, it's very quiet. Everyone's still sleeping, and we're rushing to it's a 10-minute walk for us to the train station. But you can see, like, we're going through the residential part of Warsaw. It's the old town, old part of Warsaw. On the way back to Toronto, we're going to be coming and staying in Warsaw for a day. So hopefully, we'll try some pierogies or some sort of, Polish delicacies as well. But right now, it's all about Ukraine.
So ever since the Russian full-scale invasion on Ukraine, there really is no way to enter Ukraine other than by land since all the airports are closed. So if anyone who wants to visit Ukraine would have to travel by bus or by train, going through any of the neighboring countries such as Poland, Romania, Moldova, Slovakia, or Hungary. These train and bus rides are really long and tiring, but it is what it is.
Hey everyone, so we're now right in Ukraine. It's around 1:30, 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Ukrainian time. So Ukraine's like 1 hour ahead of Poland. So yeah, it took us around 6 hours. At like around 11, 12 o'clock, we reached the Polish border. And we just had a check at the Polish border to check our documents and stuff like that. Took us an hour for that check, and we had to switch trains.
Despite the long train ride, everything else really was quite smooth. And 12 hours later, we ended up in Lviv, which is on the western part of Ukraine. And I didn't really want to take much footage of the train station in Lviv because of a massive attack on a train station in Kyiv a couple of hours before we landed. So I just took some basic footage. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll see you next time.